Hello, darlings, and today we are doing shower steamers for energy and mental focus. And so we're going to start off with our base first. We have a half a cup of baking soda, and I have a fourth a cup of citric acid, and also a fourth a cup of arrowroot powder. And you're just going to stir that all up until it's well combined. And then next we are going to take this mixture, just take half of it and put it in another bowl and set that aside for our second part. So for our first one, we're doing more of an energy one. I have 15 drops of lemon essential oil for a mental focus, and then 7 drops of sweet orange essential oil. This lifts your mood. And then I have 7 drops of grapefruit essential oil. This boosts your energy. And then you're going to stir that all up until it's well combined. It might take a little while, but anyway, just get that all up in there. Okay, next we're going to add in some lemon peel because I just felt like it. Okay, so don't ask me. But anyway, stir that all up together. Make sure it's well combined. Next, get you a water bottle with you can do water or rubbing alcohol. I have a combination of both, and just spritz it lightly. And make sure it's not too wet, but make sure it looks like that when you fold it together. And we're going to put these in our silicone molds. And make sure these are well packed. Alright, next we're going to move to our next mixture. So I have 20 drops of spearmint essential oil. This helps revitalizes you and promotes inspiration. Next I have 10 drops of black pepper essential oil, and this helps you with alertness. And we're going to stir that all up until it's well combined. And then do the same thing with the water and the rubbing alcohol. Just lightly spritz it. Make sure it's not too wet. Make sure it's not too dry. And it should look just like that. And make sure that's well packed in there. And let these sit for at least 24 hours before you take them out of the mold. And this is what they should look like. I actually did make the first batch a little bit too wet, so that one was a little overdone, but these second ones, they were perfect. And yep, there you go. Thanks so much for watching, you guys.